Democratization of artificial intelligence is the act of making artificial intelligence accessible to common man. Democratization of AI is necessary because today the brain of AI, which is the core mathematical model, is being built by just a handful of data scientists. This is because building these models often require deep knowledge in advanced statistics. That also means most software engineers who develop our day-to-day apps like YouTube, Facebook, and websites like Wikipedia cannot build AI solutions. Democratization of AI will solve this bottleneck so that it will be used by just about everyone and not just few data scientists. To understand how it will solve this problem, let's look at a very simple example. In the early days of mankind, knowledge often resided with few elites like scholars. But then, when the scholars die, the knowledge died with them. This problem was solved when the scholars started writing books to share their knowledge. This way, anyone can gain knowledge without even knowing these scholars. But knowledge was still not accessible to the general public. In order to gain knowledge from a scholar, you will have to buy his book. To solve this problem, a very interesting invention happened, which is libraries. With the invention of the library, gaining knowledge is no longer in the hand of few scholars. This is called democratization of knowledge. So, democratization of knowledge made knowledge widely available to the masses without the need for a subject matter expert. Democratization of AI tries to achieve the same on AI so that you can buy a robo from a nearby store and train it like a dog as per your need. It has already begun. Google made the popular TensorFlow freely available to developers by 2015. Amazon came up with this Amazon AI, a list of AI services that are available on demand. Microsoft built their AI and ML solutions on their Azure cloud platform. These companies provide ready-to-use pre-built models and user-friendly interfaces so that developers can quickly get started building solutions without a doctorate in advanced statistics. Other smaller companies like startups are also doing their best to be the first mover here. For example, Austin-based Cognitive Scale recently came up with their product named Cortex, which is the world's first graphical user interface for building AI models. Democratization of AI will revolutionize multiple areas like artificial general intelligence, autonomous driving level 4, which is like our Tesla, autonomous driving level 5, which is like the Google's automatic cars, which is fully autonomous. Then there is flying autonomous vehicles. Think about a drone which can carry people. It's going to be pretty interesting when all these devices comes into the market. As with any of the new technologies that comes into the market today, one of two things will happen. Either it will remain difficult to implement, then die out, or an abstraction layer is being built and the technology will become easy enough for a general user. Democratization of AI attempts to achieve the latter so that AI becomes easy for everyone to adopt and benefit from artificial intelligence. While democratization has already begun, will it succeed remains to be seen. Google has already benefited from democratization of AI by building its new gaming platform called Google Stadia. You can check out about Google Stadia through this video. If you were to get access to complex artificial intelligence services that you can simply drag and drop, what will you use it for? Let me know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe to Reimagine that to know more about future technologies.